Cool. Welcome back, guys. It's a pleasure to be here. Yesterday we had our 2 hour weekend special, as we promised. Always that we'll have 2 hour streams on the weekend and 1 hour streams on weekdays. To all the people who are new here, we are roar coders, and we stream every night from 9:30 to 10:30, and as I mentioned, 2 hours on weekend. Right now, we are in the progress of making the Tumblr.ca app from scratch, but with our new um, improvements. So yesterday we worked on getting a note. Was it right? So we worked on creating a note, which was done, and now
Creating a note. Yeah.
yeah, now we are working on getting a specific note. So though we weren't able to complete it yesterday, we feel that we have a logical error, but fix us. So then what do you think?
That's fantastic. Introduction, Karthik, or shall I say K? So that was incredible, and thanks for everything, as in highlighting all parts of the important bits that have to be covered in the intro. Apart from that, I don't really have much to say.
What do we aim to do?
So we aim to do, like you said, get a particular note from
Right.
the DB today. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully, we will get this working today. That's the target, by the way. So let's get down to it, shall we?
Yeah. Do you not tell us about the sponsor of the video?
Oh, yeah, I totally forgot about that. And thanks a lot for reminding me as well. So the sponsor of our video is StreamYard, and
Right.
basically this is, yeah, it's an fantastic tool if you want to be streaming online in different social media destinations. For example, Facebook, YouTube, Twitch. Yeah, it covers all the major platforms, and we can also record our uh, the the streams as well if we want to, and
Right.
it also shows all the previous streams that we have been able to do and the upcoming ones here. And today's one is this one, as you can see, and
Right.
these are the destinations that we have, like I was talking about early on, as in Periscope, YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, and LinkedIn as well. Actually,
Right.
I forgot to
Nice.
mention that one. Yeah, brilliant. So let's get back to our code.
Yeah. Actually, I was
Right.
actually looking at LinkedIn only. Maybe we can set up a page on LinkedIn because LinkedIn really offers you organic growth. So
Yeah,
in
yeah,
the future, we can
might
do
as
it like
well.
that.
Yeah, that
And
would be a really good idea.
yeah, for sure. Let's get on to what
What were you
we have.
saying?
Let's get on to
All
getting a
right,
specific.
cool. Cool. So this contains this one. Notice that support is that one missing key. Actually, I'm gonna go back in that one. So I've got lab params. Just gonna go a bit up and check how did I do the last params one.
Yeah,
Delete
we did the
note.
get board right. Get specific
Mm-hmm.
board. So it should be
Ah,
pretty
here we
simple.
go. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is how it should be done. So I think we have one additional property which we shouldn't, um, which is
Oh, yeah,
this one
that's
here.
true. Hmm. But Isn't that what gives you the like matches the board?
But I'm just thinking that we should actually have it. Yeah,
Hmm.
because this will actually give us the key condition, which is our primary key.
Hmm.
And this is a filter expression. So boards, which is boards, yeah, item, board item. I'm pretty sure this shouldn't be the case. As
Yeah, I
in
think
this
there's
key.
something with the key.
Hmm.
Let's Google that as well.
Params. Actually, hang on.
Hmm.
So when we get a particular note, that means that we would get the board itself and the note. It isn't it?
I mean, if we are getting the note, we can only get the note through the board.
Yeah, because the note is attached to the board itself.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
we have to get the note. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's fine. So board actually I'm gonna might go to my GitHub repo and check what the code was over there because I don't really want to waste too much
Um,
time.
I just have one question then. Can you go
Mm-hmm.
back on?
Yeah.
So, you know how there's a for loop which goes from like inside the board array? Like if you draw it up, let's not draw it up, but like if you think about it,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
there is a board array which consists of an object which is an array itself, right? So we are going in the if condition, we are going board item at the rate board, which is fine, which means we are going through all the boards. Dot board note, but the note isn't changing. You know what I mean? The note isn't iterating. Isn't it just shouldn't we have like a nested kind of a thing?
Ah. Um.
I mean,
Actually,
the notes value is only one thing. It's not updating at all. And for
but
that matter,
when
we
you,
haven't even initialized it.
I'm just thinking we haven't even initialized this
Yeah.
note anywhere, but we're just using it. Yeah, you may be actually you must be right. That must be our culprit.
Yeah. So let's try doing it in a for loop, I guess. What do you,
Hmm. So this would be board each item and then board notes.
hmm.
So we can open another for loop here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, is it? No,
Yeah.
no, 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 no. Because
No.
first of all, we need to check if the board ID in the current board is our our ID.
Oh yeah, we can do that. Or like we are going through all the boards, but I think you're right. Let's get the board first.
Hmm. So I'll get the board board ID equals
Yep.
board ID, and
That's
then
fine.
if that is the case, then we actually going in the for loop of notes. That makes
Yeah.
sense.
Yeah.
So simply do
Let note.
boards. Ah, what am I doing? let notes in boards,
Dot item.
item,
At the red board. Yeah.
board notes. Yeah, here we go.
Hmm. That's right.
Okay, and then we come to this
Oh,
part
we
here.
can copy paste.
Items,
You already
board
have the yeah, the board note at the
notes,
red note.
note, note ID, note ID, and then
Yep.
we do this process, I think.
That's
Let's check, because I'm still not sure about this part. We'll have to
mhm.
play with it.
Can you do a break? I don't have a break OCD. Can you just do a break after that?
Break where?
Um, after expression attribute value after that thing, like at the end of the if. Yes, that'd be great.
Yeah?
Not there, just one above. Yeah.
Actually, before I forget, I need to give access to this as well to you. Can you play a bit of music in the background?
Yeah, surely.
Just
Let
to like maybe can entertain our users a bit more.
yeah. Let me get that out. Okay, it might be loud in the first place. Bear with me.
That's fine.
Is this okay?
Um, too loud.
Okay.
Bit bit lower, please.
For this.
Yeah, yeah. I think that should be alright.
Okay.
Okay, I've sent you the collaboration link,
Right.
and I just have to.
Got it.
Oh my big
What's up?
screen I think went off. Hang on a minute.
That's all good. Take your time. I'm just seeing how loud it is on my phone.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool. I think I'm back now. Yep, I'm back. Cool. You able
Right
to
here.
hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
Cool.
you.
So do
Got
that.
the access
Okay,
as well.
cool. So no, that one parameters there, and then key condition. To be honest, I don't think I need this table, or do I? I think I might do.
Which one?
Actually, this key. Do I
Yeah,
need it?
still sketchy about the key part. Give me 1 second.
Hmm. Query. Actually, I'll Google the docs and check. Query in
Why isn't
Dynamodb.
keyboard equal to board ID?
What? Why isn't?
Yeah, like all the other times.
What do you mean? I didn't get it.
All the other controllers,
Uh huh.
the key says board ID is board ID.
Yeah,
So what's different in this one?
because here we're using query,
Okay.
and in the others we're using a get.
Hmm.
See that
Right.
one here?
Yeah.
Okay. I think we might have to stick to get, because when I was coding this before on my own, I was actually experimenting with the query.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway,
Let's
let's
give it one
see.
shot and see.
Yeah. Key. Actually, I'm gonna check how to actually use query. Working with queries in Dynamodb.
Just give me 1 minute. I'll get some water.
That's fine. Key condition expression query. Query. Because the only reason why I'm using query is because it aligns with the minimum privilege
Hmm.
principles. So I'm only getting what I need, not getting everything and then choosing what I need.
Hmm.
That's why I thought that might be a good idea.
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean, it will be ideal if we can make query work for all the controllers.
Hmm. Yeah, true. Okay, so from what I can see, key condition, there is no key in this. So I don't think the key would work here. Because if I go
Okay.
down to the example, response syntax, don't need this response syntax. I need key condition to, right. So I don't need
What's that?
key.
Okay.
See how it says table damage is consistent read? That one, it doesn't
Hmm.
have key around it, apparently.
Okay. That makes sense.
So
That's
I'm gonna
fine.
try this part without the key. The key condition is that. Okay, board ID is, it has to be the passing board ID, and the filter expression. The filter expression is contains this note, which
In
is
board notes. Yep.
this one in board notes. So let's check if this
Wait a minute.
works.
Isn't colon note just the note ID technically?
Colon no.
Yeah.
Actually, you might be right here. Yeah, yeah. Because we are only looking for the note with that particular ID, and then we need to return that note.
So how about if we give it something like this? Um, can we do this?
No, we can't. I don't think
Oh,
we can.
oh, okay.
Because that's a variable,
Yeah.
and we can only give a variable in this contains.
We can give it a variable, right?
Oh, yeah, we can give a variable. So hang on, I'll just show you. Um,
So we can just make a variable
filter,
and um,
filter. I want to make sure that I've actually understood the concept right as well.
Hmm.
So just filter expression example DynamoDB. When to use scan Dynamo cheat sheet. Okay, see how this is? Ah, come on, dude. Don't need you. Required only. Algorithm, whatever.
Are you?
See how this is saying here?
What's that?
Key. No, hang on a minute. Look. Ah, here we go. This one. Yeah. Filter expression contains this string, which is a variable for the original title column.
Oh,
Actually, I
okay.
will zoom in a bit so you can see properly. Here, here. So this is so basically what I'm trying to filter here is I want this primary key and
Mm-hmm.
then I, I wanna get the note that is I wanna filter the rows based on board note that has this note.
But that's kind of not working because note is just the note ID, not the note.
So are you meaning to say that we do this?
No, I think that was fine, but
Okay, how about if
oh
you
wait,
take over and
no, no,
do
no.
it?
I think you know more about DynamoDB, so um,
No, I'm not saying in a bad way
yeah,
at all.
I know.
As in,
Okay,
I'm
let's see.
working with this concept the first time as well, so I'm learning as I'm doing it too.
Okay, um, let's see. Let me Google some stuff first, and
All right.
let's get back into it.
So, are you meaning to say that we should do as in give it the exact location of the no ID where it's present here?
I mean, I'm just concerned that board notes is an array of JSON objects, and we are looking
Yeah,
for um, note ID, which is just kind of a string.
yeah,
So
correct.
I'm figuring out a workaround. I mean, we if it all comes down to it, we can make just another array called board notes IDs and fill it with the note IDs and just pass it to contains. Can we do that or not?
So you're saying that make a new array and fill that up with all the nodes ID and then pass it here.
But I want to ask, this board notes is it our, like, it's just board notes, right? Or is it a table name in DynamoDB?
So this is a column name in
Oh yeah,
DynamoDB
sorry, table name.
table.
Right.
Mhm. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So can we access members of the column here?
We should be able to, and why I say that because how he does it is he tells you here that okay, I want to filter by original title,
Yeah,
and in that column I need this value, which is this one here.
right, right. That's true. Um,
So mhm,
let's see. So the contains function in DynamoDB. Let's see. Needs a path. So board notes is a path, which is fine. And um, okay, so the path could be a string that contains a particular substring, which is fine, or a set that contains a particular element
mhm,
within the set, right? And the operand, which is note in this case, operand must be a string if the attribute specified by a path is a string. If the attribute
yeah.
specified by a path is a set, the operand must be a set element. Okay, so it clears it up. So board notes is a set,
Yeah.
and note is a string. So that's not going to work because it just clearly says that if the operand is the path is the string, then we need the operand to be string as well.
Oh, so basically what they mean is that these both have to be the same data type.
That's true.
Ah,
I mean, in
right.
the sense that I think that being an object wouldn't be a problem. Like it should be a subset of it, if that makes sense. That's all they want.
Right, right, right. I see.
Um, but that's kind of unfair.
So based on that theory, this should be an object.
Yes, or that should be a string. Whatever works for us.
Uh, when you said that, what, which
The
one do you
the
mean? The
path.
board note?
But yeah, board notes.
The board note. Right, I see. Because according to me, this is an object,
Okay.
and why do I say it's an object? Is
Yeah.
because uh, so this is a variable which is just a placeholder, and this is the object here itself.
Right. That makes sense.
But I'm not. Shall we try this?
Yeah. Can we just do one thing?
Yeah,
Can we console or log and do a type of? Do you know what the type of is? Pretty sure you know that.
yeah, yeah.
Like, is that okay?
Where
Can
about
we do for
do you
both of
want
them?
it? Where about here?
Just anywhere actually. Just we need a type of for board notes and colon note.
Bonus and color notes. If console log type of. There
Um,
you go. And here we go. Is that how
right.
you were saying?
Is that the syntax? I'm not.
That's not
That probably
gonna
is the syntax.
work. Mhm.
Wait, that's not the syntax.
No, because this syntax is specially for DynamoDB.
Right. Um,
So I think
can you put it inside, I guess?
I'll try. Let's check that out. Here we go. No. Or what I could do is maybe do this, but I'm not entirely sure if this would work because this will just be
Unless
assumed
it's a
as
string.
a string. So
Hmm.
this won't really work.
1 second. Can you assign it to a variable?
Um, how about if I put this one here because this note's
Hmm.
value is this.
Hmm.
Does that make sense?
Yes, but just saying that will probably return an object. We're we're kind of just trying to make sure that what colon note is. Uh,
So if this is an object, then this will be an object because so colon note is how you declare variables in Dynamodb, and then this variable is being assigned a value here.
okay,
So if wherever the value here is be the type of this note.
okay, fair enough. That makes sense. Um, yeah, I'm just thinking in a Java way for some reason.
Ah, okay. Right, right. I mean, I could be wrong as well, but we won't
We'll figure it
know
out.
anything unless we try this out.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm not gonna try that in AWS. I'll
Mhm.
just do that locally. API node app.js. Why is this sharp line coming
Sorry, I didn't. I'm not
from
seeing
my
anything.
screen? Ah, here we go.
Oh,
This is a bit better. Hmm.
is it time to get a new Mac?
I wish. No, I don't plan to buy a new Mac until this is actually fully gone, as in it's given up on me.
That makes
Right,
sense.
we have an error.
What is
So
it?
I I missed a curly brace somewhere.
Right.
Missing after argument list. Right, that one. That one's there. Where is this coming from? Ah, there. This is coming from if. There. This is from here. This is from here. Right. Where's this coming from? Ah, okay. That one. Cool. Let data. Okay, there we go. This should do it. All right. Where's my postman?
Oh,
There
we
we
got that.
go.
Radio. Let's see what we got.
So create a board first.
Mm-hmm.
Get no one need to post.
It's bad hair day.
I really like your hairstyle, man. As in, it
Uh,
doesn't need. It's naturally stylish. As in, all hair.
okay, now I think I need to wear a cap. It's time.
Local
I actually have
host.
kind of like a Sherlock cap.
Oh, why don't you wear it
It's-
then? Should wear it.
I don't know where it's kept. Next time.
Okay, so I think we need to make some changes to the code because it's going into infinite loop
Yeah.
again. So if I break the loop over here, yeah, that the loop
Don't
you
don't break
break.
there.
No, no, no. Data.
Yeah. Also, we should pass data there.
Hmm, that's what we're gonna do.
Oh, yeah. It probably can't retrieve that information.
Hmm, I do that again. Right. Inaccessible host. Right, that's fine. I was expecting this error. Oh, where's my send button? Come on. Give me a
That's just
per.
here.
This is interesting.
Sorry.
Port error refused. Oh, my bad. Ah, okay. That's my fault completely.
What happened?
I've I haven't started Dynamodb locally.
Oh, right.
Seriously, Zane. Downloads. Okay. CD. List table no. Dynamodb locally. DynamoDB local latest. Hmm, That's no, that's not the one. What was it? I need to go back to my blog and see what was that. Actually, yeah, this is the one.
Right. It's kind of
Oh,
good to have a blog though. You can just go back and refer to it.
mm, saves a lot of time as well. Actually, I'm just gonna go back and check it there. Um, DynamoDB locally. There we go. And it was this one here, DynamoDB local latest. It was the right one, DynamoDB local latest. It's the right one. Why is it not working?
I know.
Downloads
Oh yeah.
DynamoDB underscore DynamoDB underscore local underscore latest. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do?
Oh yeah.
This was working. Ah, alright, that's fine. I did some things to my Mac today,
Was it
So
delete Dynamodb?
it's actually it's actually I need to uncompress it.
All right.
Duplicate,
That's
compress.
it.
Oh no, 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 no. Don't want to spoil this prize. Don't want to spoil this prize.
Where did you open the? Oh,
Almost open up the
yeah.
logo.
Nah, that's good that he's done.
Compress. Okay, I'll just extract this and do it.
Looks
Okay,
like people
cool.
are way more tired on a Monday night,
Hmm.
or we are
It
like in
must.
the comments again. Wait, let me have a look.
Yeah, that'll be really as in.
I'll go have a look. One sec.
Yeah, please do. Okay, this is there.
Nope, just us today.
Cool. No problemo. We can still make the video available for our viewers.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do that now. Actually, what did I want it to do? Yeah, do postman.
Yeah, it's already deployed, but
Why is it taking this long? It's not supposed to
it's not
be.
even throwing an error.
Hang on a minute.
Everything in a core is fine. It's just um the DynamoDB thing.
Hmm, it must be that.
Hmm.
Okay, post board. Yeah, that looks good to me. Actually, let me check one thing. Have I even enabled the port?
We didn't ever disable it.
Oh, yeah. Can I do operations on a non-existent table? Right. Table doesn't even.
Okay.
Okay.
We need to create.
But yeah, we need to create the table first. I thought I already did it. That's interesting.
Did you name it the same? Pretty sure.
Uh, yes, it should have been there, but let me have a look.
Hmm.
Scramble API. This is not that one, not that one. The command of list table I'm looking for, which is here. So let's check if it's already there or not. Endpoint.
Hmm.
This is very interesting. Ah,
Hmm. Okay.
so it got rid of all the tables apparently. Alright. Um, we'll have to
That's fine.
create that again. And with the best part is that I already have the code, so we don't have to
That's good.
struggle and figure
That's
out
good.
what the code should be.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, having a blog really works in that sense.
That's 100% right.
Okay, I will have to change the endpoint to 8,000 and then change this key as well. I don't need that, and I need this note be there. So board ID, bam, 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 enter, and this should create our. Ah, no, I
Right?
forgot to change the table name. Actually,
Oh,
don't worry about it. I can do that
we just did it here.
manually here. Yeah,
Hmm.
just to save a bit of time. There we go. DevCop, and
Hmm.
this should be DevCop as well. Yeah, DevCop. Cool. All right, let's try this now.
Should work now.
Module not found. Which module? Ah, okay. Cool. I'm running it from a wrong space. As
Yeah.
in folder structure.
Okay. Let's see.
Come on, baby girl. Work for us. Non-exist. Cannot do operations on a non-existent table.
I don't think it's working right.
Resource not found.
Go to VS Code. It stopped.
Port already in use 3000.
What? Oh, you have two terminals? Yep.
Ah, yeah.
Close the other.
Got two terminals. Alright, that's my fault.
That's fine.
Let's.
Stay there. Yeah. Do that and see where we get.
It should work now.
Hmm. Come on.
There, there we go. It says 1, but it's just throwing the
We
count.
we go because oh wait, did we get one? Oh yeah, that's true. That's fine.
That's the other one. Don't worry about this. I'm just
Hmm.
worrying about this one. Say for the board, and then note body raw JSON single note. Uh,
Yeah, that's the
tell me
confusing.
something random.
It's
Tell me
for
something random.
it's 10:18 p.m.
Ah, okay.
It is though. Just reminding you the time as well.
Yeah, true, true. All right, do this note change to
Post.
post.
Yeah.
Okay, now insert successfully, and then is come on
Get. Yeah. Yeah.
18 to get do that,
Why is
and
it
then
18?
another one.
Oh, okay. 18 to.
18 to the second. Okay. Now we need to get this note. So what I'm gonna do is get the whole board first. All right. It's
Mm-hmm.
18 to get the first one. Not okay. Have a guess. Will it work?
Should want to.
Missing required key
Damn.
table name in params. Okay. Um.
Turns out it
At
does need
least
a key.
it's yeah. What did okay? It's a different file. I thought I deleted everything from that file.
Did we get anything in the console? Can you check? Pretty sure we didn't though. So it was Command Shift C to get the
C.
console,
Command Shift C.
or it was Command Control C. I don't know. One second. Let me get it.
View. Oh, here we go. I've got it.
What was the command?
I just did the it I just did it by the mouse.
Right. Wing it.
Yeah, I just winged it, mate.
Okay, for future reference, it is Command Option C. And
Command
I was
options.
curious.
Ah, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Right. So it's same missing required key table name.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is my guess for us. This was our one.
Hmm.
Express network. Um, header request body single note. Yeah, which is fine.
Wait a minute. Why do we have a body for a get function? That's fine. It
Pro.
probably should have been there.
I wouldn't have a clue, as in I wouldn't know how to answer your thing. So
Hmm.
it doesn't print out any of the consoles.
Yeah.
That's what I've observed actually.
It's fine. We'll do it in Chrome, but let's fix this first.
Hmm. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do this exact thing in Chrome. Get
Okay.
my get that one new window.
Right. You know.
Inspect. I need to run that afterwards when this inspect comes up.
Yep.
There we go, and I need my console. Console is there. Page delivered with Azure. Okay, that's
That's
fine.
good.
And now do it. What does it give me in console? It doesn't give us anything in console. Any
Yeah,
hints or
because
nothing.
it's not even getting there because
Probably.
our console.logs are below the DynamoDB configurations.
Yeah, yeah. And it's not
That's,
actually picking up that in the first place.
yeah, that's kind of funny.
Table, but we are giving you tip. Actually, let me check how does query work in the first
Yeah.
place. So this is a table name,
Um,
params, lab params.
So what we are doing
Uh,
is a scan, right?
we're querying it. We're not scanning.
Hmm?
So this we're using the query, not
Right.
scan. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Contains movie name.
Okay. Let's see what we got there.
Um, I think I might know what's causing the problem.
Okay. What is it?
See, here it's saying that it's using a hash as well for
One
the
sec.
movie name, which
Can
is
you zoom in? Can you zoom in a bit?
called, yeah. Sorry, should have done that.
Yeah. Cool. That works.
Ah,
Okay, that's a bit too much.
yeah.
Okay, then.
It's lagging. It's lagging.
Yeah.
That's my bad.
No, that's
I
fine.
was like, alright, cool. Actually, hang
Yeah.
on a minute. I'm gonna go down to the answer.
Hmm.
So here, using the table name as that, which is fine. Our table is that way, which seems to be fine to me. It's not using a. Ah, so it's choosing a scan here, but we're choosing a query. Do you think that that might be the problem?
What is it scanning for?
Scanning for all. So these movie name, whichever string is here.
Right, but like instead of function, what do we have there then?
Instead, which function?
So what this guy is doing is that it has a table name which contains movies, I guess, and he's just getting the movies.
Mhm.
Uh,
Mhm.
so he got movie names, um,
Mhm.
right, which is probably a set. I don't know why he has a hashtag. And then what he did was that expression attribute names, right, and expression attribute values. Okay, whatever the person is. Okay, we don't need
Mhm.
that.
Yeah, and then he's using scan, but we're using query here.
But also the fact that we already have the data we need. Like,
Hmm.
I think when he's written function, that's generic. What
Yeah,
function
yeah.
is
So scan comes in. Uh, so scan can have two arguments, as in the what it's trying to get
yep.
from here,
Hmm.
and then the functions. So if you want to output the error or the result, well, you can do both. But
Right.
I'm using a response. I'm not using a function here.
Hmm. Okay, we can give it a try. Um,
Actually,
see where it
what I
goes.
was gonna do is do a hash here, and then this is that one, so moving ID one. So he gets moving name as name A, name B. So we get name B, movie ID, and then um, let's probably do a scan, but then we can't use key condition expression here then.
That's true. Just looking at examples online. Give me one sec.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see. If we
For
have 10 and we have
example,
6.
for Dynamo DB,
Hmm. So we have a null set.
career table, queries, explained. Okay, so
Okay, do you want me to post a question on Stack Overflow about this?
no, if you want to, yeah, why not? I'll keep looking as well, see
Mm.
if I find anything.
I mean, if you think we
Okay,
are stuck, like it'll good to have some data. Um,
I think probably give it one more day, and then we can post it.
right. Um, this link might help. I'll send it to you on VS Code chat.
Okay.
I don't know if you have already opened it. I thought I'll send it anywhere. This guy's code looks literally like ours.
Okay. Session chat. use DB query using table name. Okay, then an item or form of okay. That's fine. He's using put,
Hmm. But
and
ignore that.
then he's using query. Yeah. So project expression that one. Mm-hmm. I'm running this code. The few things that needs to be clarified here. The key attributes of Dynamodb attributes that is so I believe the attribute genres can't be defined as a set or list. The key condition can refer to hash or sort key, which is fine. In our case, it is hash key
Yeah.
and can be reversed. So I presume the attribute genre is a sort key and contains can be used on filter expression, which I already have.
Hmm.
On data type string set, yeah, it can't be used on, yeah, that's fine. I agree with that. Conclusion, revert to point 3 for straightforward answer. What?
I don't know.
What? Point 3 for straightforward answer. I think he's saying this
Yeah,
one.
he's saying this about that. Um,
Said it can't be used on key condition expression.
it's fine. Um, why
Um,
are we? Sorry,
mm-hmm. You
why are we using
continue play.
hashtags in board notes though?
Hey?
Why are we using hashtags in board notes?
Because I just saw somewhere was using it and I thought we
Mm.
might be missing that. So that's why I just thought, but we can actually remove it. Don't worry about that. It's 30, 32 now, so shall we call it a day?
Yeah,
Mhm.
radio.
Right. Right, guys. We couldn't really. We are progressing because I've got feeling, and I'm pretty sure we are one step closer. It's just a matter of playing with few small bits until we start getting our notes. And I would like to thank Karthik for
Yeah,
co-hosting.
for sure.
It's been fun hosting with you, Matt.
Yeah, 100%. Thank you guys for joining. We'll be back tomorrow at 9:30
Yeah,
same time, Melbourne time,
yeah.
and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Have a good night all, and
cool. Good night.
see you tomorrow. Bye.